Hi guys, welcome to TechTube. So I'm back with another video, and in this video we are going to interface the fingerprint sensor with Arduino. So let's get started. So first we'll take the Arduino Mega and we'll take OLED display that is of 128 by 64, and we'll take two LEDs, one is red and one is yellow. Okay, now we'll rotate this. Now we'll take resistor for the LEDs. So here I'm taking 200 ohm resistor. I'll just zoom a little bit. Okay. Now we'll connect the yellow LED to pin number 8, and we'll connect the red LED to pin number 9 of the Arduino Mega, and we'll give the ground. Okay, I'm giving two separate ground to two separate LEDs. Okay, now we'll connect the SCL of the Arduino Mega to the SCL of the OLED, and SDA of the Arduino Mega will go to the SDA of OLED. Now we'll give the ground and VCC. Okay, first we'll give ground, and now we'll give the power to the OLED. Okay, now we'll take our fingerprint sensor and we'll connect the RX to the TX, and the TX will go to the RX. Okay, so now we are done with the circuit diagram. After making this connection, we'll see our code. So we have written the code in the Arduino IDE, and we just have to compile the code and put the hex file. And one more thing guys, if you are enjoying this video, share this video to your friends, let them know about fingerprint sensor, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now moving ahead, so you can find the hex file to this location, you can see to this folder. So you just have to press window plus R button on the keyboard and search %10% over there and click on OK. Now we'll find the folder. As you can see, we have our folder over here, and inside that we have our hex file. So you just have to copy the hex file and go to Proteus and just double click and just paste it in Arduino Mega. Now we are done with the code 2. Now let us see how the fingerprint sensor work. So this is a very small diagram of the fingerprint sensor. You can see on the left hand side we have a light source, and on the right hand side we have an image sensor, and on top of that we have a lens. So whenever the light rays falls on the prism or hits the prism, and on top of the prism we have our finger, and that finger has some distinguished feature like rich air, skin contact point and valleys. So whenever the light source hit on the prism, it take a small picture of the finger or our fingerprint, and that image goes to the sampling and processing, something like this. We have a digital image of the fingerprint, and that fingerprint has some feature in it, you can see over here, and this feature now will convert it to the digital template. Okay, so we'll go to the Proteus, and now we are done with the code and the circuit diagram too. So you have to come to this link. I'll put the link in the description box, you can go and check it out. So you have to choose a file, you have to select the image of your fingerprint and just click on open. So this will basically convert the image into ASCII. Now we have a text color as black and background as white. So now we'll convert it. So as soon as you press the convert button, you can see the ASCII image of your fingerprint. Now this image looks big, so we'll reduce the width. Okay, so you can see image width is 100. So now we'll select, let us say 20. Now again we'll click on convert. So now this looks perfect, so we'll copy this image. Okay, now press Ctrl C. Now we'll paste this in our notepad. Okay, you can see over here we have the image of our fingerprint. Now again we'll select it and copy. Now go back to the simulation and you just have to start the simulation for now. Okay, now you can see we have a separate virtual terminal for our fingerprint, as we can't give our physical fingerprint on the Proteus, so we are using the virtual terminal of the fingerprint sensor, not the normal virtual terminal. So now you have to press 1, or otherwise it will give an error. Or okay, for example, if you press 1 on the virtual terminal, it will say now testing fingerprint sensor, please add your fingerprint. So now we have to add a fingerprint. Okay, so how we are going to do that? You just have to go to your notepad and copy the fingerprint, right click and select echo type characters, and again right click and click on paste. So now you can see over here it says fingerprint added, place your finger to unlock. So now this digital template, you can see over here, it's very unique. If you change any value to it, it will give an error. So let's see that how we are going to do. So go to your notepad and just change any value, or I'll add extra value. Suppose O, I added over here. Now again I will copy it and again we'll paste it. Now you can see it says locked because it's so unique. You have to put the same fingerprint over there. Okay, and behind this our red LED is glowing because it's locked. Okay, and on the OLED display we have an image saying locked. Okay, now again it's asking to add the fingerprint, you can see over here. So again we'll press 1. Now it says please add your fingerprint. Again we'll go back to our notepad, we'll remove extra added symbol and again we'll copy this. Now we'll give the correct fingerprint. Okay, now again right click and paste it. Now it says fingerprint added, place your finger to unlock. Again right click and paste it. So now you can see it says unlock and the yellow LED is glowing. Okay, and on the OLED display we have a message, hi there, welcome to Tech2. So this is how fingerprint sensor work. And if you have any queries related to this project, you can mail us on tech22@gmail.com and comment down in the comment section. We'll reach out to you as soon as possible. For now, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.